Okay, I'm pretty near to completion of my Land Rover Series 3. I was looking for some work lights for the front of the bumper or used as front fog lights. Getting those wired up at the moment, so I picked up these on Amazon, under £20, and I've fitted them in tonight just to get an idea of how bright they are, make sure I'm happy with them before I finish the project. So I'll show you outside. It's not quite dark yet, but you'll see the difference. I've wired them into the front of the dashboard, onto the fog lamp switch, which I'm going to switch on now. You see the indicator light come on. And then if we look outside, you can see the difference, how bright those show. I'll leave those on and I'll show you around the front as well. That's 2 units. I've mounted them to the front of the bumper, a pair of M8 screws in each one, which I just drilled in and was able to fit. They came with great brackets. It was a really easy fit actually. They're wired up just using a relay at the moment.